children, welcome to the maths class. I hope you were all waiting for this class. Were you? I was waiting. Well, let's see what ma'am has got today for you. What can you see here? I have placed 4 ear pins in front of me. What are these? Ear pins. मम्मा कानों में डालती हैं टॉप्स, ये वही होते हैं, right? So here are 4 ear pins in front of you. So why ma'am has placed this? क्या कराना है मैम को, क्या सिखाना चाहते हैं मैम आज आपको? Let's see what can we do with this. Now as you can see, these 4 are in different shapes and sizes, isn't it? चारों का shape और size different है, right? So today we will talk about their size. Let's see which is the smallest one. Smallest one. सबसे छोटा क्या है? क्या है सबसे छोटा? This one is the smallest one, isn't it? Right? This earpin is the smallest one. सबसे छोटा है. Fine. Smallest means सबसे छोटा. Now we will find the largest one. Which is the largest earpin? सबसे बड़ा earpin कौन सा है इनमें बताइए? This one. This blue one is the largest earpin. So I hope you understood largest and smallest. Largest means सबसे बड़ा, smallest means सबसे छोटा. Fine. I'll place it back. Now look here. What are these? These are some spoons, different spoons that I got from my kitchen. Fine. Now same thing you will tell me from this. First of all, tell me the smallest spoon. Can you identify the smallest spoon? सबसे छोटा spoon कहाँ है? Smallest? This one. This is the smallest spoon, right? Fine. Now tell me the largest one. Which is the largest one? This. This is the largest one. This is not actually a spoon. This is a ladle, right? But this is the largest one. Fine. Now the same thing we can do with the numbers also. You know that, right? Numbers के साथ भी आप यही सब चीज करते हैं. If you are given a set of numbers, you can tell which is the smallest one and which is the largest one. वो कैसे पता चलता है बेटा? जब आप काउंटिंग करते हैं, काउंटिंग you all know, तो काउंटिंग में जो नंबर पहले आते हैं they are the smaller ones and काउंटिंग में जो नंबर बाद में आते हैं they are the bigger ones, right? We have done this earlier. You have done the exercises based on that, isn't it? Right? So if I give you a few numbers, let me clear my table first. Okay, now here I write a few numbers. Okay, now here are a few numbers and if you are asked to circle the smallest number, which is the smallest number of these? Think and tell. It's 17. 17 is the smallest number. सबसे छोटा नंबर है. काउंटिंग में ये सबसे पहले आता है ना, और जो काउंटिंग में सबसे बाद में आएगा इन नंबर्स में से वो सबसे बड़ा होगा. It will be the largest. So now let us identify the largest number. We have to tick the largest number. Okay, we have to tick the largest number. So which is the largest number in this? It's 100. So we tick that, right? So this way you know now which is the smallest number, which is the largest number. You can practice this with a different set of numbers. Ask your mama to make a worksheet for you. She'll write some numbers on a notebook and you can always identify the smallest and the largest numbers. Right? Fine. Now today we'll do something else also. I've made a sheet for you. Look here. What are these? These are carrots, right? These are carrots. Fine. Now who loves to eat carrots? किसको पसंद है carrots? Bunny rabbit, right? Bunny rabbit को carrots बहुत पसंद है. So let's call a bunny rabbit. But here is one condition. He'll eat only one set of the carrots. Either he will eat this or he will eat that. तो आपको क्या लगता है bunny rabbit कौन सी carrots खाएगा? ज्यादा वाली या कम वाली? This one or this one? Yeah, bunny rabbit will come because he likes the carrots. He'll open his mouth this way and he will eat the carrots. Those are more in number, right? So here the bunny rabbit comes and he eats these carrots, right? Fine. Now look at these. Here are some fish. Fine. So who likes to eat fish? Who will eat fish? A crocodile loves to eat fish, right? So let's call a crocodile or an alligator and ask which set of fish will he like to eat. Okay, here comes the crocodile. He comes and he eats these fish. He says, I'll eat the more one. ज़्यादा वाली fish को खाऊंगा. Right? So the crocodile comes and eats these fish. Right? These are more in number. Here are only 3 fish and here are 6 fish. तो crocodile 6 fish की तरफ गया. Right? Now, look here. What are these? These are some lollipops. Right? Here also and here also. 4 lollipops here, 4 lollipops here. Now, I give you the option. अब मैंने आपको पूछा आप ये वाले lollipops खाओगे या ये वाले lollipops खाओगे? Which one will you eat? What will you do? You are confused. Confused हो गए ना? अरे दोनों ही बराबर हैं, ये खाऊं या ये खाऊं? So आप क्या करेंगे? आपने दोनों तरफ अपना मुंह बराबर खोला. This way also and this way also कि मैं तो दोनों ही खाऊंगा. Right? Isn't it? Funny? मजा आ रहा है? चलिए. Now this is the last one. Here are some grains. ये कुछ grains हैं. अब देखो. Who will eat grains? A bird loves to eat grains, right? Bird को grains खानी बहुत पसंद है. तो अब हम एक bird को बुलाएंगे. बताइए bird ये वाली grains खाना पसंद करेगा या ये वाली? He will come here or here? The bird will come here. Because here are the more grains, right? So this is the bird's beak. Here comes the bird. And he says, I will eat these. Bird को ये वाला set खाना है grains का. Fine. So now beta in this activity what were we doing? I know you all know that. सबको समझ आ गया because already you have done this activity, isn't it? आप पहले कर चुके हैं तो आप सबको समझ आ गया है. What is this? These are greater than, less than and equal to and we'll write the symbols now. अब देखिए greater than जब हम दो नंबर को कंपेयर करते हैं, when we compare any two numbers, we can use the sign of greater than, less than and equal to. How do we write that? First of all, let's write the number. These are 4 carrots. I am writing here 4. Right? These are 2 carrots. I am writing here 2. Fine. Now, which number is greater? 4 or 2? 4 बड़ा है. We use the sign of greater than like this. अब ये साइन में बच्चे बहुत कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि कैसे साइन लगाना है. एंड आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर ऑल्सो द बेस्ट वे टू रिमेम्बर इज कि जहां पर ज्यादा नंबर है, बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है वो हमने अभी किया, जो काउंटिंग में बाद में आएगा वो बड़ा नंबर है. तो जो बड़ा नंबर है उसकी तरफ है आपको अपना माउथ खोलना है. राइट? तो जस्ट रिमेम्बर दिस इज अ क्रोकोडाइल और अ बर्ड और इट्स योर माउथ, वट एवर, किसी का भी माउथ है और जो बड़ा नंबर है उसकी तरफ उस माउथ को खोलना है. राइट? And when the greater number, जब greater number पहले आ रहा है, when the greater number comes before the smaller number, we use the sign of greater than. ठीक है? यहाँ बड़ा नंबर पहले इसलिए हम ये कहेंगे 4 is greater than 2. So this sign is called greater than sign. Fine, beta? Next one. These were 3 fish. I write 3 here. These were 6 fish. I write 6 here. राइट। और क्रोकोडाइल का मुंह किधर खुला था? इधर 6 की तरफ, है ना, बिकॉज 6 इज द ग्रेटर नंबर, राइट। 6 बड़ा है इसलिए क्रोकोडाइल ने अपना मुंह इधर खोला था, राइट, ऐसे खुला था। फाइन। सो अब पहला नंबर क्या आ रहा है? 3। पहले क्या आ रहा है? 3, एंड 3 इज द स्मॉलर नंबर, राइट, लेसर नंबर, लेसर स्मॉलर एक ही बात है, ठीक है। तो 3 इज स्मॉलर देन 6 और वी कैन से 3 इज लेसर देन 6। फाइन। तो दिस सिंबल, जब ये सिंबल ऐसे होता है दिस इज ग्रेटर देन, जब ये सिंबल ऐसे होता है दिस इज लेसर देन। फाइन। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, here were 4 lollipops, I write 4. Here again were 4 lollipops, I write 4. And माउथ कैसे खुला था? कंफ्यूज्ड हो आप कि कैसे खाना है? दोनों को खाना चाह रहे हो तो दोनों तरफ माउथ खुला है, राइट। सो दिस साइन इज द इक्वल टू साइन। ये कौन सा साइन है? इक्वल टू। इक्वल टू मीन्स इधर भी बराबर है और इधर भी बराबर है, दोनों तरफ बराबर चीज है। 4 here also 4, here also 4। तो कोई भी बड़ा नहीं है, कोई भी छोटा नहीं है, ये इक्वल है, राइट। सो दिस इज इक्वल टू साइन। आई होप यू विल रिमेम्बर दैट नाउ। भूलना नहीं है। विल टेक द लास्ट एग्जाम्पल अगेन। नाउ हाउ मेनी grains are these? Let's count them fast. These are 11 grains. I have counted 11. These are 11 grains. How many grains are these? These are 6 grains. So which number is greater? 11 or 6? Which is greater? Of course 11 is greater। और bird की beak भी जो है हम देख रहे हैं वो इधर ही खुली है, right? 11 is greater than 6. Understood beta? So again we are using the sign of greater than. So today we have done 3 signs. What were they? Greater than, or less than, or equal to. So I hope you will remember these 3 signs. Always remember them. और ये हमेशा ध्यान रखना है कि ये साइन का माउथ किस तरफ खुलेगा? जहां ग्रेटर नंबर होगा। So that's all beta. You can ask your mama to make a worksheet for you and you can practice greater than, less than and equal to in that. We'll meet in our next class with some other activity. Till then, bye-bye.